Welcome back to OMBI Anganwadi. In our previous video, we learned how to filter records using the where clause and combination of different kinds of filtering operators. Now let's imagine you have found the right data, but it's not easy to read, maybe because it is in random order. So the next question which you might ask is, can we order or sort the data what we have retrieved? The answer is yes, and in this video we will be learning how we can sort the data. This can be achieved with the help of the order by clause in SQL. Now let's take a look at how we can write a query using an order by clause and sort the data. Do have a look at the Learn SQL Step by Step series playlist to have a better understanding on the basic concepts of SQL. So here are a few examples which we would be looking at and writing the queries for each of them. Let's go with the first one. Display the names and IDs of all products in alphabetical order. And the source table for this is production.product. So now I'm in my SQL query window connected to AdventureWorks database. So let's write our query. Select star from production.product. Now the columns what we want are product ID and the name. So let me replace the star with the list of columns, that is product ID and product name. Now the sorting which is asked for is based on the product name in alphabetical order, that is starting from A to Z. To do this, we have to use the order by clause followed by the column name on which the sorting needs to be done. So order by followed by the column name, that is name, and then ascending, that is ASC, because we want it starting from A to Z. Now when I run this, you can see all the products starting with A and then goes on in alphabetical order. Now suppose in case I need it in reverse alphabetical order, I can replace this ascending with descending, that is DESC, and now it's sorted in reverse alphabetical order. In case I don't mention either ascending or descending after the column name, SQL Server by default sorts the data in ascending order. So this still works in case I don't mention anything, and when I run, it's again sorted in ascending order. Now let's take a look at the second example. Display the names and list prices of products starting with the most expensive ones. And again the table name is production.product. The column names which we want to fetch are names and list prices. So I have name and list price over here. So first let us mention what columns we need. And then the requirement now is starting with the most expensive ones. So the sorting is needed on the list price column. Hence it would be order by list price. Since the requirement is to show the most expensive ones in the beginning followed by the others, the sorting needs to be done in descending order. Hence it would be order by list price descending. This is our final output where the most expensive ones are at the beginning followed by the other prices in descending order. And finally the least ones. Now let's take a look at the third example. Display ID and job title sorted by job title and ID, for which the table to refer is human resources.employee. So this is an example for how we can sort based on multiple columns in a hierarchy. Let's have a look at the table. Select star from human resources dot employee. So we have the job title column and business entity ID, which I am putting in my select list first. Business entity ID comma job title. And now the requirement is to first sort based on job title. That is, all the job titles need to be displayed in alphabetical order, and within each job title the employee IDs also should be sorted in ascending order. So the first in hierarchy is job title and then followed by business entity ID. The query will go like this: order by. The first in hierarchy is job title, so job title comma business entity ID. And when I run the query, this is how you will be getting the end result set. So the first job title, which started with A, that is accountant, has come first, and with the same job title we have two employees, and this too is sorted in ascending order, 245 appearing first followed by 248. So now you know that order by also supports sorting of data based on multiple columns according to different layers of hierarchy. Going to the last example now. Display the latest hired employees within each job title. This is again another example for hierarchy based sorting. And the source table is the same, that is human resources.employee. I'm into my query window now. The columns what we need are business entity ID, job title along with the hire date. So I'm adding hire date column over here. And now how we want it sorted is based on job title, but under each job title the most recently hired employee should be at the first. So order by job title, which is the first in hierarchy, and we want it in ascending, that is starting from A to Z, and comma hire date, which is the second in hierarchy, but we want the most recently hired employees to be first within each job title. So, and the final result set is here. So the first job title, that is accountant, which we can see the employee with ID 248 was hired on 8th of March, and then we see the next employee who is hired on 18th of February. So now you know how to use the order by clause and do the sorting whether ascending or in descending order for both single as well as multiple column hierarchical sorting. Stay tuned for more content on SQL and do subscribe to MBI Anganwadi.